Our vision at Italgraniti Group is built on three strategic pillars: product, people, and the environment.
Here we produce porcelain slabs up to 160 by 320 in a range of thicknesses. A material designed with architecture in mind, sustainable and high-performing.
From raw materials to technology and production, our goal is clear: environmental impact, create value for our communities, and strengthen the international reputation of Made in Italy.
We're in the heart of the plant, a Factory 5.0, created through an investment of over 60 million euros. By building it from the ground up, we designed every detail with a single purpose: to produce innovative, high-performing materials, not yet available in the market, that meet the highest standards of sustainability. Cutting-edge, energy-efficient technologies deliver the perfect base for decoration, an ultra-white porcelain body. We've invested the most advanced compacting technology, able to create slabs up to 180 centimeters wide. Our patented loading system creates a true through-body vein effect. Real-time quality control detects and corrects defects before firing, ensuring flawless slabs. Our 7-level vertical dryer recovers heat from a 230-meter hydrogen-ready kiln. Balanced firing cycles deliver stronger, easier-to-work slabs. Our AI-driven sorting line keeps learning, delivering ever greater precision day by day. The plant also houses the world's first soundproof line for precision sizing and calibration. 2 next-generation regenerative afterburners eliminate pollutants, control emissions, and recover energy.
From the structure to the machinery, from the packaging to the high-efficiency lighting, every detail was designed to meet the highest standards of environmental sustainability. Our plant is energy self-sufficient, powered by renewables. A photovoltaic system generating more than 3 million kilowatt hours annually, plus a high-efficiency cogenerator. At the heart of our system lies a virtuous production cycle, using fewer raw materials and fully recovering 100% of water, heat, and scrap.
Working with Italgraniti means engaging with ceramic every day, uncovering its technical and aesthetic potential, and shaping it into design solutions that resonate with contemporary architecture.
Large porcelain slabs open up new expressive horizons, creating seamless visual continuity indoors and out, surpassing the dimensional limits of traditional materials.
Surfaces become a true architectural skin. Design tools to create spaces aligned with sustainability principles.
Groundbreaking AI-powered decorating machines bring our large slabs to life, applying Italgraniti's patented reel-up and stride-up technologies. Our decorating line also includes special machines for tactile effects, grits, selective masking compounds, and innovative pigments and glazes. A 120-meter polishing line with 60 polishing heads provides a wide array of finishes ranging from mirror to satin.
People's well-being is at the heart of our values. We're proud to be the first Italian ceramics group to earn gender equality certification, a milestone that reflects our concrete commitment to inclusion. The new plant was also an opportunity to enhance the quality of working life. Smarter and more functional spaces, better services. And with 25% more people, it was vital to invest in everyday well-being. For Italgraniti Group, becoming a B Corp was a natural evolution. We have always believed that a business must pursue not only profit, but also the well-being of people and communities, while safeguarding the territory in which we operate and the environment. Being a family-led enterprise is a deep-rooted value for us. It means vision for the future, continuity across generations, and a true commitment to those who work with us and to all our stakeholders. We were among the pioneers of Italian ceramics, and through 3 generations, we have shaped a lasting legacy of know-how and industrial culture, along with a profound bond with our territory. Today, we write a new chapter in our story, rooted in tradition while driven by a clear vision of our future.
We strive to be a trusted partner, standing alongside those who envision an architecture that is more sustainable and more responsible.